Hi, this is John with WTI, and summer is coming on the way. And I know you want to smell fresh, and at the same time, you don't want to go in too hard on somebody's face with the fragrances. So, when it comes to high heat and high weather, like I have to get this Antonio Banderas Blue Seduction is like my great compliment getter. So this one has the notes of melon and grapefruit and all this freshness. It's like this type of fragrances that everybody just loves it. It's not going to be too hard on your face, and it's great for weathers that are going to be high heat, like summer is coming, I was saying, and you don't want to go into fragrances that are going to be too sweet. This one has the freshness, the aquatic, and the citrusy that you will need in situations like this. You will have to go a little bit heavy on the trigger, but something that I like about this is that people that they mostly don't like fragrances because they think they're too hard, they've even complimented me with this one. They say it's really fresh, it's a pleasing smell, it's not going to be too hard on you. So if you're looking for a great fragrance for summer and it's going to be great, not going to be too hard on other people's, and you're going to enjoy wearing this because you're going to feel free and fresh out of the shower in a summer day, this one is great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.